Coming up on this program, we show you how to get connected. Find out how to choose an internet service provider. Discover the newest form of communication, electronic mail.
Ways down and ready to ride. One by one, billion by billion, been holding up half the sky. Raise your hand if you're ready and willing, if you know it's time. Time for a girl on time. Time for a girl on time. Time for a
Oh, as the sirens begin. Sorry, around my house, as usual, we can hear sirens. Hi, everybody. I hope everybody's doing good. I hope you're having a nice, Thursday? Is it Thursday? I think it's Thursday. We have to get right into it because there's a lot to watch tonight, and I'm not sure where we're gonna pause it. It is a blast from the past. I didn't get a chance. I've been working all day. I didn't get a chance to. Oh, Sashina, you're blue. Also, the green screen was working fine a minute ago. I fucked with the setting. It's probably fucking around now. Anyways, but my theory is this. Let's get started watching. Let's see how we do. This is an old blast from the past. Two weeks of summer left. Is that why I got this dress on sale? It's a cute little Reebok tennis dress. The answer is yes. Sashina's going to work tomorrow. Excellent work. You're going to do great, Sashina. You're going to do great. Okay. Let's go ahead and put it on. That's a bit better. I changed my lighting and... Oh, good. You're here. I changed my lighting, Mikey, like a real YouTuber. You know how they have more than one light? I'm trying to do some special photos. So, anyways, hi, how are you? After dark, I heard you hit your goal. Good job. Anyways, I don't think I'm breaking any news here, but there was a sort of, you like my lighting better? That's good. I'm glad. Let's hope it doesn't start a fire because I set it up. Anyways, we're going to watch half of this today and half of it tomorrow because it's 3 hours long and I haven't eaten dinner. So that's my plan. Let me just find it. That's not it. This has got to be it. Oh my god, Judge Manning's face. I just love seeing it. She just is so sweet. Anyways, hold on 1 second. Okay, Judge Manning, it's
all right,
not
everybody,
like a
turn your
call.
cameras on and stay on mute
Or
for
maybe
me.
it
Turn
is.
your cameras on and stay on mute. See if the Madam Court Reporter. Missing some folks.
Yes, Your Honor, we did request a court reporter. How are you doing today?
Doing well. How about yourself?
All right.
Where's the other side? And sorry, I'm 3 minutes late, but I had to do my ex partes, and I hate when they overlap. Oh, there you go. There's somebody. Mr. Finley, turn your camera on. Take that background off, Mr. Finley. We're not advertising for anybody. Take the background off, please. Either you can blur it,
Hashtag
but
not
don't
a
run some
fucking
sort of
sponsor.
IBM security stuff in the background.
Not a fucking sponsor of IBM
All right, now-
Security.
That was just Miss Johnson. She just dropped off, didn't she?
Mikey, did you get a keyboard like Craig has? Did you see
What I
Craig's
could do,
keyboard?
same as I did the other day, make you a co-host. If you want to use that as backup.
I'm gonna try again.
Thank you so much. I would appreciate that.
Yeah, I'm here. Let me just shut down and try again.
Your Honor, my client says that she's here, but,
Well, she's here now. I can see her.
oh, she says she see you now.
Oh, no.
She says she see you now.
Oh, but I just shut off.
All right, so
Oh,
log
I
back
just-
in, just log back in.
Who's talking?
Okay, just give me
I'm sorry, Your Honor, that was my
Try
client. Your Honor,
Oh, you hear it on your, I'm like, where is she talking from? Okay, yeah, no, she's not on the screen, so she dropped off, so okay.
This is so classic,
I wanted to
Manning.
ask
We
for a
can't
brief
skip a
trial.
minute.
Okay.
before we get back started.
Okay.
Once my client gets here.
Okay.
Judge Manning, didn't she used to have a line about tech support? I'm not tech support. She used to say something like that. I know, we love old
Judge
Zoom
Manning,
emails.
it's saying that I need to ask the host to give me permission.
I love
This is the court
asking
reporter.
for
Oh,
permission.
yeah, well, did I just make you the co? I thought I just made you co-host.
No, Your Honor, you made my counsel co-host.
Uh,
Is Miss
Thank you.
Danielle your counsel?
Yeah, because when it jumps around when people log on, let's see. Okay, I got Dr. Taylor here. Let's see, just waiting on Ms. Baya's client. The director of the family division is filling in for Ms. Free, the case manager today, so we'll go very easy on her. Because Ms. Free's top notch, and Ms. Free's the best, so Dr. Taylor,
That's right. You want to
Training
fuck with
wheels, training
somebody,
wheels.
you choose not Miss Free.
we're just waiting on the other party. Dr. Taylor, we're gonna make you co-host, Dr. Taylor.
Miss Amber Free is a god in the eyes
And just
of
waiting on the other party, and then
She's a
myself
good
and the
woman.
lawyers are gonna go into a breakout room for a second.
Well, we won't wait around for that. I will skip that part. If I can stop playing with my hair. Yes, Judge Manning is a lesbian. Don't worry about it. We don't really worry about
Miss
people's
Danielle, what is your
sexuality.
last
We
name,
don't
please?
kink shame around here.
Johnson.
Sometimes she wears a
Johnson.
Superman shirt
Johnson.
underneath her
Thank
robes.
you. Yeah.
She's awesome. I think if
I'll
you
check
do
with her again,
exclamation
Your Honor. I
mark
know she was trying to
Manning,
get back on.
Okay,
exclamation mark
yeah,
Manning,
She
pretty
just texted me
sure-
and said that she is signed back in.
I don't, I mean, there's nobody in the waiting room.
Okay, I'll check again.
That sounds like a you problem. I have heard her say that. I should have made it stay out of Fulton County, but if you spend any time in here, you'll know that our heist function is inspired by Judge Alex Manning and her time with people from Fulton County. Anyways, we will skip a little bit ahead. Will we, Judge? She was so patient. Just so patient. Also, Danielle has a pretty big fan. In my new studio, I want to hang up all the fans that I have, but I need to use them sometimes. As a reminder, this
Have
is
you chatted?
what, Judge? Hold on about chatting. As a reminder, this is old. I don't know. Do I need to put a banner at the bottom like, "Don't freak out, not new"?
It's the last hearing.
No, Judge.
Oh, okay.
I just sent her the link, Your Honor.
Okay.
And I hate to break everyone's bubble. She still does TPOs, but we're
Did
just
either
not
of you hear from
invited.
Judge Williams' chambers? Because I did.
I have not, Your Honor.
No, Judge.
I'll follow up.
You've never.
Judge
been
Williams, is that a-
meeting. Oh, buckle up, Brooklyn. We're about to have a
us-
fun week.
See, I'll see. All right, now she's here.
I used to go to Manning's Chat Live as well, a lot. And I believe, if I'm not wrong, Mr. Checkmark Boy himself, Credence and Mikey, of course.
All right, so.
It's always Mikey. Before you say anything, Judge, if I'm not mistaken, Mikey got a personalized correspondence from said Judge, Alex Manning. Probably one of the things I'm most jealous of. James and Sammy? Hi, how are they doing? I was just saying that you got a shout out from Judge Manning, or a letter. Hi, James and Sammy. Everybody in the chat should say hi too, so that it pops up over here.
Johnson, are you good with a pretrial?
Honestly, no, Your Honor. I would prefer to just go ahead and hop right into the hearing,
All right.
given given how things have been going thus far. Let's just hop into it, Judge. Please, if you wouldn't mind.
After
Okay,
they
that's
say
fine.
hi,
We'll
Mikey,
pick
you
up
should
where we
probably
left
not
off.
watch.
So here we are. Does either counsel know how it's been going since we last did the hearing?
Yes, Your Honor. My client could testify as to what's been going on. But nothing's changed since the last hearing, as far as I know. I'm going to call him for redirect anyway. The only thing that has changed is that reimbursement of attorney's fees. We're now up to $5,737.50, not including today's appearance and the hour it took me to get ready for this continued hearing, Judge, that my
All right.
client is asking for reimbursement for.
All right. So
Your Honor, on behalf of, I'm sorry. On
that's all
behalf-
right. Let me go ahead and make sure real quick. Are both parties going to share and take down for Madam Court Reporter?
Medical
client is-
reporter?
The court reporter.
The court reporter.
Yeah, sorry. My accent gets really bad. Yeah, sorry.
Okay. Mr. Finley, yes, we should share the takedown. Trust me, Mr. Finley, we need to do that. We'll share the takedown, Judge.
All right. What about Ms. Baez? Your client going to share and take down?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, I require that the court reporter be paid within 5 days of receiving invoice. If she's not, let us know. We bring you back in the courtroom and find out what the problem is. You can purge from there, or you can purge from Rice Street. Both parties raise your right hand. Mr. Finley, Ms. Finley, this is a dry record, so take yourself off mute so I can get a verbal response. Mr. Finley, take yourself off mute. There you go. Yeah, I'll swear affirmative testimony you're about to give is the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth. Ms. Finley?
Yes.
Mr. Finley?
I do.
All right, thank you. All
I
right,
do
we were on
too.
Ms. Baya.
That's correct, Your Honor. And Your Honor, at the time I had Mr. Finley on cross-examination. Mr. Finley, previously when you testified, you had indicated that you had not received any of the codes with regards to having access to the garage or getting into the house. Is that still your testimony today?
That is correct. That is still my testimony today.
Your Honor, if I will have the ability to be able to share my screen.
Sure.
Oh, I don't know if I approve of that.
I apologize.
It's always a problem for me.
Mr. Finley, do you recall receiving a text message from Ms. Finley regarding the codes that you had requested when the police were present on August the 15th?
No, with an explanation.
Go ahead.
The part of the TPO that is still in effect and is listed as in effect under all of the documents for the continuance of this proceeding.
Oh, look at, she's crossing her arms. I'm not though. NPC. Hi. Did you change your picture too? Now you're just fucking with me. When we change the pictures and the names, but seriously, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I am so smitten with my new lighting. It has my hair green anymore? I don't think it is. I think I fixed it. I'm so happy. Thank you.
I have blocked her numbers. I cannot receive calls or text messages from her. And Verizon should have given her some notification that I don't receive those messages from her.
Okay, so if she would have provided that information to you, your testimony is that you would not have received it. Is that correct, sir?
Yes, if she provided it through that medium, I would not have received it. However, explanation, if she had sent an email, I would have received it. Text message, no. Phone call, no. Email, yes.
And during this process with regards to the divorce proceeding, have you all been communicating via text message or via email?
Both.
Was Ms. Finley aware that you were no longer accepting text messages from her?
No, with an explanation.
Okay,
In the TPO, I am not allowed to talk to her, contact her through any medium. There's no way I can block her from sending me an email, but I did block the other methods.
and the reason why I'm asking this question, sir, is that you had indicated that she had failed to provide information to you. But if I'm clear, and I just want to make sure I'm clear about your testimony, is that even if she attempted to provide that information to you, there was no way for her to get it to you because you were not communicating with her via text message, or you said via email, but there was no way for her to know that you did not receive her text message. Is that correct?
Well, no, counselor, as I stated before, because I have blocked her numbers, she gets a message from the carrier, Verizon Wireless, that tells her that this party is not accepting your message.
Okay,
Whether or
And-
not she received that, I don't know.
okay then. So with regards to the fact of your allegation that she failed to provide that information to you, you can't say certainly that she did not provide it to you. You're just saying you don't think you received it because you blocked her. Is that correct?
No, that is not correct. There were a couple of interactions where she was given the opportunity to provide it when the police were there, and she refused at those times. Now, if I'm allowed to share my screen, or maybe I can have my attorney give the video, and you and the judge can go in the breakout room and y'all can go through that yourself. But the video will clearly show that I had the officer show her where her key was and ask her for the alarm codes and the garage door openings. And if the video picked it up, you will hear her responses. I don't want to speak on what they were. Just let the video speak for itself.
I appreciate that.
You're welcome. Here to
Now,
help.
yes, sir. Now, with regards to your contempt, and I just want to make sure that we're reiterating, since I don't think we had a court reporter last week, is that you're alleging that there were cameras in the house, but you were saying that they were supposed to be removed, but they should have been disconnected. Is that correct?
No, the order said that they should have been disconnected. We talked about that last time after I read what was in the order back to you. It
Yes,
said
sir.
disconnected, and we also talked about how she disconnected those and that I never reconnected them again.
Okay. And the question I was stating to you is because we didn't have a court reporter last week, and I just wanted to make sure that the record was clear, is that with regards to your petition to have her in contempt, your contempt alleges that she should have removed the cameras, not disconnect them. Is that correct?
The order said that the cameras should be disconnected, right? And my cameras were in fact disconnected.
Yes, sir.
She installed cameras, and those cameras were on and live and active. Now, I sit here at my desk. I can open up this little case here. These are all my cameras that were connected around the house.
Your Honor, I would object. I did not ask him to provide any exhibits in this testimony. Do you have
Finley,
any-
Mr. Finley,
Yes, ma'am.
please just answer her questions.
All right, could you restate the question for me so that I can properly ask what you're asking?
Your Honor, if I can share my screen.
Yes, ma'am, go ahead.
Mr. Finley, can you see this document that I'm showing you?
I can, give me a moment to rearrange the camera view here.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
and I'm going to object to this line of questioning. We've already been through this quite some time during the first part of this hearing. This is continuation. This is not an opportunity to repeat testimony that's been evidence that's already been provided. You've already been over this, Judge.
Your Honor, if I was just trying to make sure that we had a record of what the testimony was, it was the last about 5 or 6 days ago. I just wanted to make sure that we are clear as to what his petition is saying with regards to his motion for contempt and what the issues are with regards to whether my client may be in contempt regarding those matters.
Your Honor, then I need to have some clarity then. Did we totally waste 2 hours worth of this court's time last Friday when we were here and we're going to have to repeat everything that was said at the first part of this hearing because the court reporter was not present? I need to make some phone calls then because we're going to be here for another 4 hours, Judge. If that is what we're going to be doing here today, repeating everything that we've already went over.
Your Honor, my intent was not to repeat everything. I was just trying to make sure I hit the bullet points of why they filed their motion for contempt. But if the court does not wish me to, refresh the court's memory with regards to those issues, I can move on.
I mean, Ms. Bay, I've got my notes right here from last time, but if you have to ask him something on a follow-up, if you could just do that and let's just kind of move on.
I appreciate it. Thank you, Your Honor. Mr. Finley, I was showing you what has been marked as petitions number 21, which is regarding your motion for contempt. And I just wanted to make sure that I was clear that you were alleging in your contempt that our client, Ms. Finley, violated the court's order by failing to remove the cameras, not disconnect them. Is that correct?
Same objection, Judge. I was already asked and answered. Same objection.
Mr. Finley, if you can simply answer with yes or no, that would be so appreciated.
Counsel, could you scroll down to 21 since you referenced 21, please?
No, I said this is my exhibit number 21.
Oh, I
And
understand.
reference in paragraph number 11, your motion for contempt.
All right, and your question one last time.
My question was that you had put in your motion that the court had ordered that the cameras be removed. Is that correct?
That's correct.
All right. However, the court's order said just disconnect. Is that correct?
Your Honor, the documents speak for themselves. The order speaks for itself. The motion speaks for itself. He's already testified repeatedly. She installed the cameras. The cameras are still activated. They have not been disconnected. We have been over this at least 10 times now, Judge. He's
Okay.
answered.
Yeah, I've got that they weren't removed, they were disconnected. I've got it.
Now, Mr. Finley, when you previously testified, you had indicated that there was not enough distance between the Jack and Jill room with regards to where you all could sleep if you were rotating the master bedroom. Is that correct?
Rotating
with
the
an
master
explanation.
bedroom. Oh, okay. No, folks. Move on. Move out and move on. Could you fucking imagine rotating your master bedroom? That's usually the master. Never mind.
So Mr. Finley, here's the thing. Everything doesn't need an explanation. Either it's 15 feet or no. I mean, everything does not need a dissertation. We went through this last time. It was like 2
I
hours.
understand that, Your Honor. The beds aren't 15 feet apart. So the answer is no.
So there, no. 15 feet is 15 feet. I got you. Go ahead.
Yes. So with regards to rotating the master bedroom, you all would not be able to sleep in the other rooms if you all were rotating the master bedroom and be able to maintain the 15 feet apart. Is that correct?
It's correct.
Now, with regards to the keys, you had indicated that you had changed the lock. Are those locks still with the original keys that you changed them to, or have they been changed back to the old locks?
No.
know that they are with the original keys that were on the house before you changed the locks, or
No.
they are with the new keys?
Yes,
They're with the new keys?
yes.
Okay. And since we were in court last, have you provided those keys to Ms. Finley?
Since we were in court last,
Yes, sir.
yes.
And how did you provide those keys to her?
It's not a yes or no question. Those keys are in the garage hanging next to the door where
Okay.
they've been the entire time.
So you haven't really provided them to them, you just left them where they were originally left the last time, is that correct?
Yes,
Now, since you've returned, have you returned to the marital home?
I'm here now. Yes,
Okay. And since you returned to the marital home, is there anything that's different with regards to the marital home?
Your
No
Honor,
sex.
first of all, that's a very vague question. I don't know how you would be able to answer that. I would ask for a more specific question. Secondly, relevance, Judge. Again, we're here in a contempt matter. We're looking at Ms. Finley's actions, not Mr. Finley's. She's the one who's had a contempt action filed against her.
Your Honor, I've also filed a contempt action against Mr. Finley since the last time we were in court. The reason for my question, and I will be more specific, the court had indicated after court proceedings last time that Ms. Finley needed to remove herself from the master bedroom, and I just wanted to make sure the court understood that she complied with the court's order. Mr. Finley, is Ms. Finley in the master bedroom?
no,
And has she removed her personal items from the master bedroom?
yes,
And currently, with regards to the Jack and Jill rooms and with regards to Solomon, is there those rooms full to capacity now? Is there stuff everywhere in those rooms?
I do not know.
Have you been upstairs to the house?
Yes,
And have you been in the Jack and Jill rooms?
yes,
And is there stuff in those rooms?
yes,
And is there stuff completely filling those rooms?
no,
Can someone sleep in those rooms?
no,
And why not?
I don't know. Personal choice.
Mr. Finley.
Yes, ma'am. I'm sorry. I'm doing the best I can.
No, you're not, because now you're just really trying to be argumentative. Did somebody have the ability to go in there, lay on the bed and sleep?
Your Honor, there is a couch upstairs. I can sleep on that couch.
That wasn't her question, Mr. Finley. All of this is because, seriously,
Okay,
because I had to do, like,
no,
nesting on who, no, don't interrupt me, Mr. Finley. I had to do nesting on who's gonna sleep in a master bedroom. But now all of a sudden you say, I could sleep on the couch. So listen to her questions and please answer them. Go ahead, Ms. Bass.
Thank you, Your Honor. Mr. Finley, I was asking you previously, can someone sleep in the bed in the Jack and Jill rooms?
no,
And I ask you again, why not?
I don't have an answer for you, ma'am.
Mr. Finley, hypothetical. Ms. Bay asked me that question, I would say, well, it's crowded, but the bed's wide open, sure. Or no, they can't, Ms. Baya, because it's like a scene of hoarders and there's so much stuff you can't even open the door. That's an answer to her question, not you don't have an answer. Yes or no, is the bed open so that someone could sleep there?
No,
Her follow-up, why not?
because all of,
First of all, Judge Manning, I love you so much. Oh my God. Yes, this is, oh, it was peak. It was top tier. It was peak. Okay? If I could have access to them all, I would pay a lot of money. Let me put it that way. Oh.
Her follow-up, why not?
because all of my possessions were thrown in array in that room. And I've been trying to sort them out in between work and work trips.
These are spread out everywhere. Gotcha. Next question, Ms. Baya.
Yes, Your Honor. Is that both rooms, both Jack and Jill rooms?
Yes,
And with regards to Solomon's room, do you have stuff in Solomon's room as well?
no,
Now, with regards to, before you filed this motion for contempt, were you previously sleeping on the sofa?
before I filed the motion for contempt.
Mhm.
These
Was I
people have more
previously-
money than sense, I'll tell you, because they have lawyers fighting over this. Get the fuck out,
Yes.
get your own house.
And throughout your marriage, have you been sleeping on the sofa on a regular basis?
Personal.
Sometimes, yes, sure.
At least 3 or 4 times out of the week?
Do not know. I was not keeping a record. I'm sorry, Your Honor.
And prior to the TPO being filed, were you sleeping on the sofa more than 2 to 3 days a week?
That's a really
No.
bad sign, right?
Now, Mr. Finley, you had indicated earlier with regards to you can't sleep in the Jack and Jill room. My question to you, what is your proposal as to where you and Ms. Finley, how you would rotate the master bedroom if you cannot use the Jack and Jill rooms?
My proposal?
Yes.
My proposal is she could have gone to Solomon's room when it was her turn to rotate out. Instead, she sort of moved in there and didn't move until last week while I was out of town. But that room was open and available for her the entire time.
Okay. And then the Jack and Jill rooms, did you remove those beds and put them in the basement?
Yes,
So there are no beds to sleep in that room. It's not because your clothes are in that room. Is that correct?
that is incorrect.
So you can sleep in there without the beds?
Yes, ma'am, I've already testified to my ability to sleep there without the beds.
And there, because there's a sofa that you brought up from the basement and removed the beds, is that correct?
I'm able to sleep on the floor.
Did you remove the beds and put a sofa in the Jack and Jill's room that has mold on it?
Just asked that, and my answer was yes.
Okay. And did you attempt to try to clean that mold off recently?
Yes,
And as a result of that, did you cause some damage to the property?
no,
Now, with regards to, and I had asked you earlier, with regards to your proposal, because you had indicated in your previous testimony that you all will not be able to keep a distance away of 15 feet as the court has ordered if you were in a Jack and Jill room. My question to you again was, how do you propose that you all rotate? Are you both rotating the master and Solomon's room? Is that the testimony?
no, the testimony is that I will rotate into the master when the master is available. Master was not available until I returned from my business trip.
Is there a
And my
master
question to you,
available
Mr.
for
Finley,
me?
and I apologize if it was confusing. My question to you is that if you're not in the master bedroom sleeping, where are you going to sleep during your rotation?
In one of the Jack and Jill rooms. As I've already testified, I don't need a bed.
Mr. Finley, you're paying Miss Johnson. She can object if it's asked and answered, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So-
Understood.
Ms. Baya is doing her job. Her job is to ask you questions to make out her case. And also, like I said, first year law school, they teach you to get under that person's skin, and she's doing that. So
Yes, she did.
stop it.
Yes, ma'am.
Answer the questions. Go ahead, Ms. Baya.
Thank you, Your Honor. Mr. Finley, with regards to the garage opener, you had testified earlier that you cannot access the garage without the garage opener. Have you changed the code with regards to the garage?
No,
Have you recovered the garage opener?
no,
Have you put stuff all over the house where you're not able to actually see what's going on with regards to where things may be located in the house since you returned?
No,
With regards to, Your Honor, that's all the questions I have at this moment.
All right, Ms. Johnson,
Yes, ma'am.
go ahead.
Thank you. All right, Mr. Finley, did you receive any indication from me that Ms. Finley had provided her attorney with the access codes to the garage door opener, and I was supposed to give that to you? Did that
no,
ever happen?
no.
You said that she's already moved things out of the master bedroom. When did that happen, sir? Before or after the filing of this contempt action?
After.
Has she moved things out of the master bathroom yet?
Yes,
And that happened after we had filed this motion for contempt, did it not?
correct.
You testified that there are things thrown in the Jack and Jill rooms now of your personal belongings. That was your testimony?
Correct.
Where were your personal belongings before the TPO had been issued, before you got back to the house?
They
Where
were,
were these things?
they were in the master bedroom
How long had they been in the master bedroom, sir?
since October of 2010.
And since October of 2010, who has been sleeping in the master bedroom primarily?
I have.
And you said that you do sleep on the couch, sir. How often do you actually sleep on the couch since the filing of this of the divorce? If I had to guesstimate, that's fine.
Sleep well, Courtney, my love.
Probably about, before the TPO, probably about 20 or 30% of the time. Since the TPO, I've been there most of the time.
Why?
Because I have to stay 15 feet from her, and by sleeping on the couch, I have access to every exit to that home if I have to flee.
So is it your testimony then, just trying to clarify, that you are, when you do sleep on the couch, it's because you want to make sure that you can get away from her if you need to?
Correct. Upstairs in the Jack and Jill room, it's at the edge of a catwalk, and it is one way in, one way out. On the couch, I can go out the front door, the back door, the garage door, or the basement door, all which have an exterior camera facing it.
So you do you want to sleep on the couch in the family room or in the Jack and Jill room?
No, I don't want to.
All right. And sir, you and I did file that motion for contempt, correct?
Correct,
And you signed a verification for me, correct?
correct,
And we attached that verification to the motion, did we not?
correct.
And in the motion, we're actually asking that you not rotate the master suite, correct?
Correct.
What are you asking the court to do about that master suite?
Was asking the court to let me go back into the room where I've been.
Thank you. I'm gonna try to share screen now, Judge. I was practicing with this earlier. I make no promises, but I will try to share some videos here.
It's not all videos. It's not like it's your job, ma'am, where you're getting paid a lot of money. Good night,
One moment.
Riverside.
Do. Share screen.
Share screen. Let's talk it through. Also, I got the outfit. Courtney knows I was contemplating buying this dress like a while ago,
I can
but I'm glad I waited
find-
till it went on sale.
One moment, Judge.
You know me, I love a sale.
I had it up earlier. Now it's not working.
Yeah, it was just up. I don't know what
Fucking
happened.
typical. Jesus
It's not where I want it to
Danielle.
be. That's
Oh, okay. So, you have to, I don't know if you have, like, I got multiple screens, my whole wall, because so you got to highlight that one window that you want to open. So if you got several, windows open, When it
Mhm.
says share screen, make sure it clicks on the one that you actually want to share, or you'll share stuff that, like client list. And that's why I tell people, look, don't share till you got that one.
Which is what I just did. I'm trying to get to my Google Drive. Here it is, Judge. I found it.
Mhm.
And we're gonna go to
Google Drive.
recent.
Hashtag not a sponsor
We're gonna
yet.
Go to, can't see everything that I'm clicking because,
No, we can't see anything.
Can't see anything yet. All I can see is you. So you haven't quite shared your screen yet.
all right, one moment.
I'm so
Alright, can you see-
hungry.
Not yet.
I only had a single bite of cheese. Lucky it was a big bite.
There's something particular, maybe I could share.
Are you guys seeing that video, Judge?
No, ma'am, just see you still. So it's not sharing.
Okay, one moment.
And when you go to share screen, if it's got audio, there's a little box at the bottom you need to check that says include audio.
I'm hitting share.
Yeah, there you go. Now you're sharing it. Yep. There you go.
Now I need to go to my drive.
No, you actually have the video up.
I got this, Mr. Finley. Go. You had the video up. It was showed like some blinds. There you go.
Is that it?
Here we go.
It's showing some blinds in a room. Okay. Is it supposed to have audio?
I'm sorry, what was that, Judge?
Is it supposed to have audio with it?
I'll pause it until I can get it.
Well, so if you don't, when you go to share screen, if you didn't also click the box at the bottom when you first go to share screen that says share audio, I'm not going to be able to hear it. So if there's audio, you got to do that.
Okay,
They may have changed it now where you got to do something else, but I know before, like I said, Miss Free's a great teacher. You had to like click a box at the bottom when you first share screen. It says include audio or share audio.
I'm gonna stop sharing for now.
She's getting paid
gonna
so much
hit
money. The amount of minutes we've been
share
doing this at
screen.
her lawyer rate.
And when you do that, you see it where it says audio, bottom left or right.
Share sound.
Yep, there you go. That's it. So, and then like you did, you'll have it.
Okay.
And please, everyone, remember if you admit exhibits or anything, please email them to the court reporter. All right, and just unmute it there on your screen at the bottom of the video so we have it muted.
Is that it, Judge?
Ma'am.
I'm doing well. How are you, sir?
I apologize for the length, Judge. It's about 5 minutes.
Okay, go ahead.
Nice house.
Want me to stay down here? Come with you.
This right now, stay down. I gotta escort her up. She don't get what she needs, you know.
Okay.
You guys, I'm making myself a crunch wrap later. But I got extra lean ground beef. Tell me why that's so much more expensive. Well, I know why, but it's so expensive. Can you imagine just not moving out? Wouldn't you just move out? I mean, I got divorced one time. The amount of time between me deciding to get divorced and me moving out, or like us completely separating, was approximately 2 days. Maybe less. But it doesn't look like a hoarder house. I think he took the beds out, and that's the whole thing. This is like a body cam video, but more boring. Because a YouTuber better than I would have cut this out. YouTubers with check marks and all. Should I put some jalapeno in my guacamole? Is that acceptable? Is that like a normal thing to do or what? Yeah, this is not a hoarder house. Are those matching lazy boys he's sitting down on in red leather? Like a set? Oh, that's the catwalk he's talking about. Humble brag. Oh, here they come.
Appreciate you.
Hold on, did that cop carry the box? That's funny. The cop carried the box. He understands the assignment. Get in and out as quick as possible.
Officer Blaylock. See those keys right there in the door? This is the order from the judge. She's supposed to give me a garage door opener and access to this alarm system. And she hadn't done it. I had to rekey the locks. That's the key right there.
You had to really do the whole locks?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll explain it all to you. I mean, she drives off, she drives off. But the court order says she's supposed to give me those keys. And my garage door opener. It's also the alarm code, too.
I'm not gonna turn the alarm on. I ain't gonna put it on.
It's like right now, because what's going to happen is civil matter, you have to go to court.
No, I understand.
Yeah, I was trying to be, provide it, but I can't really make it.
Right. Doc.
Yeah.
It's all good.
You didn't even come on because I turned out.
I got you. Okay. Good luck to both of them.
Well, hang on, Officer Blaylock. Just want to talk to you for a second. We'll go ahead and let her do whatever she gonna do there. So, the deal is according to the court order, where
Okay. Mr. Finley, can you hear me?
I can't hear you. I placed myself on mute.
That's fine. So you shot that video, correct?
That is correct.
Right, you have not altered or doctored that video at all, correct?
I have not.
And in that video, you did in fact give her, or tell the police officer where the keys could be found, correct?
Correct.
Right. And I'm gonna let the video speak for itself, Judge, but in short, you asked for those access codes in front of the police officer. She refused to give it to you, correct?
Correct.
All right. I'm gonna try to share something else. One moment. Finley.
Who was that couple that she had downloaded on front of, like, standing on a stoop?
One moment, Judge. Let me find what I'm looking for.
Ma'am.
All right. Sir, it was also your testimony that your wife did install some cameras, correct?
Correct.
And you also took video footage of that, correct?
Correct.
I'm gonna try to share this video now.
so after complaining to the judge and having my cameras taken down, she put one up in the garage. I guess this is supposed to be an external camera, maybe? Not really sure. But this one has gone up at the same time. Camera that I had in the garage here, judge ordered that it be disconnected. So I don't know if the garage is considered inside the house or not, but if it is, We just have to find out what the judge wants to do about this additional new camera here. So it doesn't make sense that I have to take the one I had down and she can put one in.
Now, Mr. Finley, just to stay focused on that camera in the garage, do you see the color of the light that's blinking there?
Yes,
What color is that light?
light is green.
So what does that mean to you that when the light is green on the camera?
That means that the camera is active, has an active power source and is operational.
Okay, thank you. I'm going to try to share a different one now. Oh, Judge, I may just have gotten the hang of this. I still make no promises. Let's see here.
And I've been doing it almost every day for 2 years.
All right, let's see here. Camera's disconnected. No, that's not where I want to be. You know what? Let's do something easy. Let's go here. We have hearing. Okay.
Ma'am. This is a
Mr. Finley,
lawyer.
do you recognize that?
We don't see anything. Now she's gonna have
There's
the whole
just
problem.
a list of stuff there. You hadn't opened anything for me to identify, Counselor.
Okay, one moment.
She has to disconnect entirely.
Do you see it now?
I saw something flash on the screen, but the image was redacted. So
Image is
Probably-
redacted.
let's have to double click and open up the whole thing there.
Actually, she just needs to stop because she's sharing her G drive, which
Okay, I
is where
just
you
did
were
it
showing
again.
the video before.
How about now?
She needs to stop
Not-
sharing and reshare.
All right.
Still just your Google Drive.
No, this is on my computer, Judge.
No, I'm saying that's what it's showing. That's the page we can see.
Okay. One moment.
Mhm.
Depressing. How long do you think she stays on
Content.
this?
My drive.
See, that's who I'm talking about. Who's that couple? That's what I
Okay.
want to know. We've seen some pictures. Oh,
So I have to complain to the judge and having my cameras taken down. She
we
put
just
one up
saw
in the garage.
this. We saw that one too.
That's not it. I'm so sorry, Judge.
Okay, there you go. Click on the next one. You'll probably get it.
Basement window garage. Because I had it saved. One moment.
Oh my god.
Okay.
Mr. Finley, can you tell me what's happening in that video?
In that video, they're actually on that day, probably about, I don't know, a couple of weeks ago, as I was walking to the couch to go to sleep, I saw that that light was on and that that camera was active and recording.
And where is that camera located, sir?
It's located inside of her office where she has exclusive access.
Thank you. Reset.
This is gonna be like a 3-day ordeal. You're right, Manuel. I mean, for us to watch.
Yeah, none of these are pulling up for some reason.
I know why.
Counselor, you could go to any one of those pictures and go left or right with the arrows.
Okay. That's not what I was looking for, though. Give me one moment. I have specific ones.
Okay.
Lady, hurry up and figure
Hang
it
on,
out.
We had it under. Ugh, this is insane. I had everything up and ready. Oh, here we go. Maybe this is it. Okay.
Did you though, ma'am? Did you really? I'm so hungry. You're ruining
All
my
right, there is
night.
testimony that you did not provide her with the key. Is that correct, Mr. Finley?
Correct.
And you also gave me a video of you doing just that, did you not?
Correct.
All right, so this is the location of the keys that I left for her. I'm leaving it in the door. This goes to all of the lower locks, and this goes to the glass door on the front. So she has everything she needs to enter. Assuming that the garage doors are still operational, she should be able to make it this far. If she cannot make it into the garage, she has also reprogrammed the keypads here and here. I no longer have access to those garage. I do not have my garage door opener. So for a while, I guess I'll only be coming in through the front door because I'm not gonna talk to her.
Now, Mr. Finley, since the filing of this motion for contempt of court, has she given you the garage door openers?
No.
Has she, I guess she may have texted it to you, but did she give that, to the best of your knowledge, did she give the access codes to her attorney who can then give it to you?
No.
Oh, give it to me so I can give to you? No. Okay.
This is costing them so much money.
No, you already testified that you had to have the doors rekeyed, did you not?
Correct.
And why did you have to do that?
Because I got the order that I could return to the home on August 12th. She was unresponsive and would not answer the Google Nest doorbell when I came back with the South Fulton police officer. I tried again 2 days later. I got the same officer, I believe it was Officer Thompson. I had Officer Thompson call her and explain to her that I had the order where I could return to the marital residence. She acted as if she did not know that order existed, even though she had been in court with us that day. She acted as if she did not receive the email that came from the court, and she refused to give the access codes to the officer and the garage. So I informed the officer that I was going to have a locksmith come in and change the locks, because this was my second chance or my second attempt to come back to the home. And I need to get back to the home to get back to work.
Okay. Sir, do you see what's on my screen now?
Yes,
Okay, and what is that?
that is the bill from the locksmith where I had to have all of the access keys redone. That's the total bill. All exterior doors, all exterior
Okay.
glass
So,
doors.
Then we get that, it speaks for itself. How much did you spend on this?
$715.
Are you asking for reimbursement do you want the court to order Ms. Finley to reimburse you for that cost?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. And give me one moment, Judge. I'm gonna try this again to show some photos that my client has taken.
This guy needs to move out. What is with these people? That's crazy.
Okay. Can anyone see that?
No,
No,
saw the redacted screen
ma'am.
again.
All right, let me see here.
Cool POV shot. I would shoot some wicked porn.
Okay. Can you see my screen there?
Yes.
Okay. And I mean, you sent me a lot of photographs, did you not?
Yes, I did.
All right. And what are we seeing here?
We are seeing, if this is the long video, you're seeing a video where I returned to the home after my attending an AA meeting in February, where I had some things that are written on the mirror there. Just basically some messages to myself to keep me calm and keep my head up. And the petitioner came in and wrote over those things, insisting that I should leave.
Okay, and we have, one moment, Judge. I'm trying not to scroll through every single photo and every single video, but honestly,
Yeah,
I'm
there's
just gonna stop when there's something I think is pertinent. That may be faster. I'm struggling here, so. Mr. Finley, what are we seeing here?
that is the kitchen area. Over on the left side on the counter, you'll see where most of my things there are assembled, and then the other stuff is just common space, but my
All
things mostly in the corner there.
So when was this picture taken, before or after the issuance of the current order?
This was before.
This was before. All right, one moment. I drive. I think maybe if I stop sharing and pull up my documents and open my documents first, that may help. Okay.
May it? Paisley's getting distracted. You gotta hurry, Danielle.
Did that help at all?
No!
We're looking at your screen that says, we're looking at your file, so you have to open the file.
You want to close that because it has your client's names over there.
Okay. All right. This is why I like in-person hearings sometimes. Mr. Finley, why don't you just describe what the master bedroom looked like when you got back into the house?
When I return to is it permissible for me to share?
That would be great if you can. Is that going to be allowed, Your Honor?
I object to him sharing, Your Honor.
I mean, he emailed her the exhibits and he knows what she's going to use. I mean,
I understand, Your Honor, that none of those exhibits that she has presented to the court have been admitted. So again, I object to him sharing. He's not an officer of the court with regard to presentation. He is represented by counsel.
well, he's not, but if she can't share her screen, I'll let her share her screen. I just really would like for him to stop making argument and just answer questions because y'all don't have all night. You know, I got criminal hearings at 4:30, 5 o'clock. So.
And I appreciate that, Your Honor, but she is not doing, she's redirected and also added some additional evidence. So of course I get an opportunity to cross-examine him about these things.
You do. Go ahead. Tell him what picture you want him to share. Do you know which one in particular you want him to share?
Yes, Mr. Finley, there are photographs of the master bedroom and of the master bathroom. Can you pull up those photos and share with the court, please?
Wow,
All
he's
right,
quick with
we're
it.
here.
Okay, thank you. If you could go to the second row and the number is ending in 72. Do you see that?
Yes.
Click on that, please. What are we looking at here?
So in this picture here, we are seeing the inside of the master bedroom. This is the side where my things were. This is the volume of things that she moved into the master bedroom. I'll stop there.
Okay. And who took this video?
I did.
When did you take this video, before or after the issuance of the order?
Right here, August 14, 2022, the day that
So it's after, Judge, after Mr. Finley.
yes.
Please, Mr. Finley, before or after? Answer the question.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can get out of that photo now, please. Thank you.
Yep.
Okay, and scroll down a little bit more, please.
Sure.
And these are all photographs of the marital rest, the master suite, correct?
Correct.
All right. Click on the one that ends in 79.
Which row are you looking at there?
It's on. It's
This-
the top row, yes. All right, and again, what are we looking at here?
We're looking at the other side of the Jack and Jill sink in the master bedroom and the items that were on the floor.
Now, does this fairly and accurately depict the surroundings during, at the time that we had left court, the last time we were in court last week? When did you take this photo?
This was taken on the 14th.
All right, so again, she had not abided by that order, correct?
Correct.
All right, thank you. And there should be another photo of messages that she left for you in the mirror, correct? Do you know which ones I'm talking about?
There were. Yes, I do.
Can you find those, please? Now, you already testified that sometimes you left messages for yourself, but click on, is it 64?
63, 65, 64.
What in the fuck?
Okay. All right. What are we seeing there, Mr. Finley?
So what we're seeing there are the messages that I had to myself. It says, stay calm, breathe, pray, then respond 1 day at a time. Every 5 minutes, which is saying I could do something healthy every 5 minutes. And then over that, she wrote on there, if you cared about Solomon, you would stop delaying the process and divorce without drama or something like that. The other photos actually show what she had there. You should sign the papers
okay.
for us divorce and stop prolonging the process.
All right. So in other words, she was asking you to move out.
Yes.
And since the filing of this divorce, how many times has she insisted that you move out of, or you vacate the marital residence?
3.
Okay. All right. And would you agree with the court's conclusion, which is actually in that order, stating that there has been no finding of family violence on your part?
Correct.
All right. Judge, I would like to tender all of those photos and videos into evidence.
Any objections, Ms. Bell? You're on mute, Ms. Bell.
I do object to the last one that was up, Your Honor. Opposing counsel made statements as to what it was supposed to say, but the message was sign a paperwork. So, you know, if you love Solomon, I object to that being omitted because it was not a statement of him moving out of the house, which he has just testified to. With regards to numbers 79 and 72, I think there was some, I couldn't tell, he said it was the master bathroom, and then he said the Jack and Jill bathroom. I think the court had said, move your stuff out of the master bathroom, not the Jack and Jill, so I'm objecting to the pictures with regards to what was in the Jack and Jill bedroom. With regards to the kitchen, the video on the kitchen, I'm objecting to that because I think it was unclear as to whether that is since he's been moved back into the home versus prior to before he had exited the house. And again, I wasn't sure as to what date and time that photo may have been taken with regards to when he may have returned or since he's been there. I'm not clear about that, so I'm objecting to that video. With regards to the the keys videos, Your Honor, the officer, you see him with paperwork, you hear him, you know, talking to Ms. Finley, but you don't really hear him actually say to her, here's the keys to the garage pad, you know, here's the keys to the house or anything like that. So I'm objecting to that video as well, Your Honor, because it does not depict what he is alleging that it's depict. He keeps testifying as to what was said, but it is not what has been said in the video. So I'm objecting to that as well, Your Honor.
I'm objecting to these objections.
And I think that's it, Your Honor.
You want to respond, Ms. Johnson?
Yes, Your Honor, those aren't real objections. Those are oral argument or closing argument. I'm not hearing any objection to the authenticity of these exhibits. I believe that they should be admitted under objection, and you as the fact finder judge is the one who's going to determine what the evidences speak to or what they say.
I mean, I'll let it in for what little weight I'm going to give them. I'll let him in. I mean, one, he says he wrote notes on the bathroom mirror for himself, and then one was for her. And he did say Jack in jail, and I've got some notes. I mean, I'll let it in for what little weight I'm going to get it.
Your Honor, again, the reason I wanted to share that with the court and in this hearing is because from the very beginning, I've been saying that she's filed this TPO just to get an advantage in the divorce action, and she's upset that it's going to take some time to get in front of the judge. That's why she filed this, Judge. She's been after him to move out of that house since the beginning of filing of the divorce, Judge. That's all.
I understand. I mean, I'll let it in for what little weight I'm going to give, but.
Your Honor, do I get to cross-examine again?
I have one more question, Judge.
Okay, go ahead.
More.
Go ahead.
Last
Mr.
question,
Bailey,
ma'am,
you
and then
have
we're
incurred
stopping.
attorney's fees as a result of having to respond to this TPO, have you not?
Yes, ma'am, I have.
All right, and we've also filed an affidavit in support of our attorney's fees. So you already saw that. That's part of the record, correct?
Yes, ma'am, I have.
And since then, since the filing of that affidavit, we've had to come to court. I have to prepare for trial and so forth. You saw that, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, would you
You didn't
agree
say
that
where
the
you
total
learned
amount that
Zoom.
you've been billed for this, just for the TPO, is about $5,737.50, Mr. Finley?
Yes, ma'am.
Is that more or less than what you have been billed for the actual underlying divorce?
More.
Are you asking for reimbursement of those attorney's fees?
Yes,
Why are you asking for reimbursement of those attorney's fees? Why do you think that's fair?
because this is totally unnecessary and just malicious to pursue this avenue. And to cause me to have to go through all of these expenses to defend myself.
I have no further questions, Judge.
All right. Follow up.
Oh, there's gonna be follow-up, there's gonna be cross, there's gonna be a lot of it, but I am lost without any food, my dude. And so we must call it there. It's only been an hour 13. But we'll be back. We're gonna do it in the morning. We'll probably bang out another hour or maybe the rest of it tomorrow morning. I'm tired too. I am tired. It's time. We're calling it. But don't worry, we'll be back tomorrow. If you're watching in the future, well, there'll be part 2. Anyways, you guys, thank you so much for being here. Oh my god, I'm so hungry. If only we had a real Taco Bell, and when I want a Crunchwrap Supreme, I could just order it instead of have to make it from scratch. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for being here. Do me a favor. Remember that I love you. I love you. That's right, you. I love you, and I'm proud of you, and I will see you in the next video. Okay, bye. Bye.
Ways down and ready to ride.